Adeline. Adeline, you want to tell the story? What does Mom have in her belly?
A baby.
Yeah?
Yeah, a baby.
And that's going to be your little sister?
It's going to be a new baby.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. 2 babies are going to be soon.
Yeah? What's the other baby? Oh, is Ava the other baby?
Uh-huh. She is the sister for the other sister.
Oh, alright.
Both babies are called twins, so that's a twin right there.
She's going to be a twin?
She's a twin also, but she has strawberries.
Does somebody else have a baby, too? Do you have something in your tummy?
I just have a kitten.
Yeah? Wow.
Strawberry shortcake.
Oh, that's a picture. But you have a kitten?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And I have a dog and a cat
In-
and another kitten.
Inside your belly?
Uh-huh.
Whoa, oh my gosh.
This is my kitten, so it's my cat.
Oh, is that as big when the daddy?
Yeah, but I have a baby and my baby can just also live in my belly.
Oh, all right. So Mom's going to have a baby and you're going to have a kitten.
We have just those chippy hoes.
Oh, all right.
Those skins. And yeah, I get those skins.
Ava, what do you think about your big sister giving birth to a kitten? Huh? Is that crazy or what?
A family.
Oh, a family. Yeah. Let's see if we can see those poochy lips. Do you know how to make her do poochy lips, Mama?
Oh.
Ava.
Just do it to her.
I'm trying. Ava. 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 Oh. You giving your sister a kiss.
I think she's bumping her head. So you can pay
Hey, she has the hiccups.
See those poochy lips. Make poochy lips to Ava, Addie. Show her. Ava. Mom, can you make her do it?
Ava.
Let's play patty cake, bake or smear. Come back to you. Play patty cake, bake or smear. That's fun.
Alright, no poochy lips.
Poochy it.